Are you having a good day?
Say hi.
Are
Can
you
you say hi to
having
the
a good
camera?
day?
Hello.
You got something in there, don't you? Some little chewies.
Oh,
that.
do you see the pretty flowers? He
Sorry,
still does
excuse
that for flowers. He goes,
Is that
You smell the flower?
yeah.
I thought you had a bunch.
like? Did he smell something he didn't like?
Oh, pretty flowers. Yeah, a lot of plants and flowers. Whoa.
Gee.
How you doing there, Dave?
Question.
I'm good.
Question. Tomorrow.
David, as David continues to eat.
Tell me